A very good morning from Zimbabwe and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, let us talk about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Se wikino Chivhayo, vawikinero Chivhayo, vakapindura mubvunzo kuti mari yavo iri kumbobva kopikwa. Where does he get all his money? And he had to respond following a backlash from the citizens of Zimbabwe. Daiwa, mari dziya dziya dzamuri kutengesa nadzo mota, vamwe vangaibvunza kuti muri kumbodzwana kupi baba vacho, vataiwa regai tipindure. So this is about Hulu. He speaks about a space, Twitter space, which they are going to hold on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, where they are going to talk about where does Chivhayo get all this money from. But there is something very important and very great to take note of. Chivhayo himself pointed out, please reserve a seat for me in your space. I will be there, comrade. Let us take a look on what Chivhayo said. This is Chivhayo right here. Arikuti marori esa amuri kuona magonyeta amuri kuona ari pamupikicha ndeake. So he said, my trucks ndine 50 and I supply 3 million liters of fuel to Lesotho every week. But unonzwa murombo anenge hopo wachiti imari dzekuba taxpayers money chino nechino. Very stupid. It's not my fault that you are poor. This is what Sewikno said to Hopo Chingono in response to where he gets his money. So a lot of questions were being asked. Vachibvayo mari muri kumboiwana kupi, mari muri kuinonga kupi, zvinhu zvakaoma sezvazviri kuita izvi. And he finally responded and said anima track 50. So the major question is, track 1 rinotakura fuel yakawanda say. That is what we need to take a look right now here. So the information is there. Fuel tanker capacity. Saka, we need to take a look onto this issue. What is the capacity of a fuel tanker? So it carries around, a fuel tanker trailer can hold 30 to 60,000 liters. 30 to 60,000 liters. So 60,000 liters, for example, if you take a look on the distance between South Africa and Lesotho, it's a close distance. So per week, truck rinogona kuenda nekudzoka kangani. It's very important for us to take a look onto that. How many times can a truck move in between Lesotho and South Africa? It is not delivered fuel. So let's say per week, rinogona kuenda 4 times. 4 times 60,000 liters multiplied by 4. That is 240,000 liters per week. Multiplied by 50. That is 12 million liters. So Chivhayo speaks about how many liters. We need to take a look onto the liters reported by Chivhayo. Chivhayo speaks about 3 million liters. So it's possible that Chivhayo, if he does have trucks, it's possible that he's carrying 3 million liters of fuel. So I was just doing a random check. Saka apapa 3 million 20 divided by 4, which means truck rake rikufamba once a week from South Africa to Lesotho, once a week.